Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this green glam makeup look. So if you'd like to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. So I'm first taking this shade here from the Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette, and I'm using that as my transition shade in the crease. Next, taking this shade here to help bring definition to the crease. I'm slowly building up each colour, and this will make blending so much easier. I then went back over top with the first shade that we used to blend both of the shadows together. And after that, I took this dark green eyeshadow and applied that to the crease to make it darker and stand out more. I then went in with the shade that we used before to blend in between the light and dark shadows. And went back in with that transition shade as well. I next applied the Maybelline Eraser Eye Concealer and used this to carve out my eyelid shape. This makes it so much easier to apply the shimmer shadow, and it also gives it that nice transition between the matte shadows. I then took the shade Mali from the Juvias Place Masquerade palette for the eyelid shade, and I absolutely love how this applied, and it was perfect for this look. So back to the Morphe palette, I took the black shadow on a small brush to define the outer edge and also deepen up the green shades just a little bit more. I then went back in with the green to make sure that we always have that nice smooth blend and each colour stands out. So I always go back in with the transition shade to make sure the light green always stays at the top of the eye. Onto eyeliner, I used the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner to create a smoked out look. I take the liner across the eye and then fade it out towards the outer corner. Then I took the black shadow and buffed that in so there was no way of seeing where the liner stopped at the corner of the eye. I then used the green shade to smoke it back out and create the drama at the outer edge of the eye. Next I applied the Urban Decay Heavy Metals Glitter Liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy, and I traced that over the eyelid shape that we created to give that look a little bit more sparkle. I then applied lashes, and these are from falseeyelashes.co.uk from the brand LashXO in the style Starla Drama. I absolutely love how these went onto the eyelid so easily, and they were perfect for bringing this look all together. After that, I used this shade to create the bottom lash line smokiness, and then buffing it in with the black shadow on top just to create that overall smoky eye effect. And then went in with the darker green to blend it all out. I then added the Esquido black liner to my waterline just so there was no space in between the lashes. And next I added a coat of mascara to the bottom lashes, making them full and thick. To finish the eyes, I used the Huda Beauty highlighter in the shade Azores to highlight the inner corner and brow bone. Onto face highlight, I used the Doll Beauty Like a Diamond highlight on the tops of the cheekbones. To finish the whole look off, I applied my Fave Collection lip liner in the shade Cappuchino. And then for lipstick, I used the NYX Cosmetics Cosmic Metals Gloss in the shade 16. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and also give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.